Come and unbox with me this box of goodies from FILOFAX, the Mediterranean collection. Let's see what we have inside. First, we have the Mediterranean ballpoint pen. Then, this adorable pencil case, which is great for everyday essential for storing your pens, pencils, and even makes a cute makeup case to pop in your handbag. It features a nice textured exterior with this lovely pink pattern and an engraved zipper pull. Next is this A5 refillable notebook. It's got this gorgeous pattern cover and includes 56 ruled 100 GSM fountain-friendly paper. Then we have these notepads. First, this meal planner notepad, and it has a magnet at the back so you can stick it onto your fridge. Then we have this daily planner notepad. And next is this weekly planner. Again, all these three notepads have magnets at the back so you can stick it to your whiteboard or your fridge ready for planning. Now let's look at some cute Mediterranean organizers. To start with is this cute pocket organizer which includes a week on 2 pages diary. Then we have the Mediterranean organizer in personal size, which feature internal pockets, a patterned interior and a strap closure. And then we have this beautiful Mediterranean organizer in A5 size. So let's have a little look in more details at the items we have. This ballpoint pen is refillable and you can grab refillable ink from FILOFAX. It's 1 mm in thickness and it has a pretty printed metal barrel, a twist mechanism and black ink. Then we have this adorable pencil case which is great for your stationery or your beauty necessities to pop in your handbag. Then we have this A5 size refillable notebook. It has twin wire binding which makes the notebook lay flat and closes with a coordinating elastic. As mentioned earlier, it includes 56 ruled 100 GSM fountain-friendly paper. We then have these three notepads. A meal planner. It has space to plan out your meals for each day, a grocery shopping list, and it has a magnet at the back to keep it handy on your fridge. Next is the daily planner notepad. It's great to keep track of your chores and to-dos. It also has a magnet at the back. And then we have the weekly planner notepad. You can use it as a to-do list, plan out your family schedule for the week, and it too has a magnet at the back. Now if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, click the subscribe button right now. Let's keep going, and now let's have a look at the 3 different size organizers. Let's start with the cute teeny tiny one, the pocket size. It has a strap closure, 1 pen loop, internal pockets, a patterned interior, a week on 2 pages diary, plus assorted notepaper, a ruler or page marker, and a top opening envelope. We then have the personal size Mediterranean organizer, which also comes with the same contents but in the personal size. And finally, the Mediterranean organizer in the A5 size. It has a strap closure, 2 pen loops, internal pockets, a patterned interior, week on 2 pages diary, plus assorted notepaper, ruler, page marker, and a top opening envelope. Now do note that contents may vary to the ones I have here, all shown in the product images on the FILOFAX website. The material of these organizers are faux leather with a nice smooth texture. Check this playlist right here for more planner stationery videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.